Well, we do apologize for that technical glitch right there. Now, the Parliamentary Opposition is questioning the need to formally regulate domestic mediation, which can become expensive for those involved. That prompted a clarification from the Justice Minister in the House of Representatives this week during the debate on the Mediation Act. Details from Andrew Chisholm.
Mediation comes down to one main objective: helping individuals to settle disputes. Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton supported the legislation, pointing out that in 2024, over 33,000 injuries were recorded through the Jamaica Injury Surveillance System. Almost 7,000 were violence-related injuries, which have impacted the health sector.
In public health, therefore, we support the mediation bill that offers an opportunity to change that narrative by creating a structured framework through which disputes can be resolved before they become a crisis. We accept and recognize from our experiences that these disputes start small, starts in the family, in the community, more often than not between persons who know each other, and then without the appropriate intervention escalates to become a criminal investigation, an emergency medical situation. Tensions escalate, and indeed people lose their lives.
The proposed Mediation Act seeks to regulate the conduct of mediation, register mediators, and establish a code of conduct through the Mediation Board. For Opposition Leader Mark Golding, regulating domestic mediation may lead to other challenges.
Regulation comes with costs for those who are regulated. There are fees that have to be paid, there are processes that have to be complied with, there are enforcement costs if it's going to make any kind of sense, and so on. It isn't clear to me what mischief or imperative there is for bringing the practice of mediation domestically into that regulated arena. I'm very wary of imposing any kind of regulatory burden on domestic mediation practices. I think that would be counterproductive if it was to act as a disincentive for people to participate in mediation services.
Justice Minister Delroy Chuck sought to clarify what aspect of mediation would be regulated.
You can practice mediation, and everybody should. But if you're going to charge, you must be certified and registered. So that is the only regulation where persons who charge, they must be certified and on the registry. Anyone else who wants to practice mediation can do so, but they must charge.
Discussion on the Mediation Act is scheduled to end at the next sitting of the House. Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.